In this video, I'll show you how to make a TV grid effect without using the grid that's found in the effects panel, because in the 2025 version of Premiere Pro, that effect is not there. For this footage of this music video I'm creating, I want to add a TV line grid feel. Unselect the track that you have, click somewhere else that's not on a track, and then click on Graphics and Titles, and then click on New Layer, and then click on Rectangle. I'm going to make this bigger so we can see what I'm doing here. Let's take the anchor point and put it at the top. Take the left side, drag it to the left, drag the right side to the right, and then drag the rectangle all the way to the top like this, and then drag the bottom halfway down. We're going to replicate this so we can get a grid pattern effect. Make sure that you have the Effects Controls panel open. Go to the Effects and write in Replicate, and double click on Replicate, and then you'll see visually that it's already implemented the replication. In the Effects Controls, here's the Replicate module, and let's write 10 and press Return. Right click on that, copy it, and then right click and paste so you can duplicate the replication. Now we've got a grid pattern like it's a TV, but now we have to modify the lines. Go to the shape in the effects control and click the drop down arrow. Click on the fill, which is currently gray, and I'm going to drag it up to black and click OK. All right, we're getting somewhere now. This is looking better. We can close the shape module, and in the opacity module, the blend mode, click on the drop down, and let's select overlay. Last part we're going to do is add in a blur. Go in the effects and look up blur. Let's do a Gaussian blur. Double click on it. Pops up over here in the effects control, and let's do a blur of 2 and press return. That will soften the grid lines. Let's pull this up so we can see the timeline better. And if I zoom in, you'll notice that this grid is not very long. We can drag it longer in the timeline. We can drag it all the way across and put it wherever we want that effect. I also have some other footage here to make the image look distressed and colored. So I'm going to take this graphic and drag it over those layers. And now we can view the image better. Let's watch.